problem we have these days in legal advisory is the fact that a lot of clients do not know when to draw the line between fact and fiction. One major example of this kind of situation is when you see people in movies, both in Nigeria and American movies, or whichever place they get their movies from these days, Telemundos, Philippines, Korean, blah, 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 blah. People will tell their husband, tell your lawyers to bring their divorce papers, I will sign it today. My brothers and sisters, in practical Nigerian legal reality, there is nothing like that. The way out of a marriage, I usually tell clients, is two ways, especially for statutory marriage. It's either through a lawful, completed divorce with a decree absolute in place, or, God forbid, even though it will eventually happen to all of us, death when one spouse dies or when the full procedure of divorce has been completed. But for those two, there is no other way. So just damn the movies you have seen, and don't impose those expectations on your lawyers. That's not the only situation. So many things now that we are having a huge challenge advising our clients on, because they have seen too many movies. The expectations are high. They are as high as those that they have of Avi Specter or Mike Ross, the two main characters in Suits, the popular American movies, or what's it called, movie series, and what's the other one, How to Get Away with Murder, Boston Legal, and all movies like that. Even in America, those things are not implementable. It is fiction. It's pure fiction. Nobody has the kind of memory that Mike Ross has. It's pure fiction. So you can't impose such expectations on your lawyers, whether in America and worst case Nigeria. So we have to cut the slack. Take advice from your lawyers and do not impose too much of a burden on them. And when they can't meet such expectations, you now largely just think that it's because they are generally incompetent. You start shopping for lawyers who can carry out the fictional for you. So I think we should just let Nigerian lawyers be able to just advise you based on the level of their areas of expertise and competence, and follow their advice. Don't follow my cross or Harvey Specter, because you are not in the world where they are. You are in the world where your lawyer